Everybody, so I'm out here at the front of my house. Right now it's just a thunderstorm happening. I got my hair for a video and didn't go out as planned. So now I'm right here at the front of my house dealing with this thunderstorm. I'm gonna record a little bit just to show you guys how it's going. It is flooding, just so you know. From my feet, I don't know if you can see that. It is flooding. Okay, I wish I would have reported that. 1 second. Okay, the lightning bolt is like right above the house. It's raining really hard and it's thundering really hard. I'm gonna film it one more time. It was like this yesterday, but the lightning bolts and the thunder and all that wasn't as strong as it is right now. It just started, so yeah. 1 second. One more time. Do not try this at home. What I'm attempting, it's literally above the house. I'm going back inside. I can't. Okay, I'm in the back. It's very windy. Ooh. Oh, hell no. There's no way to see the lightning bolts. I'm trying to get them on camera, but there's no way. I'm already soaking wet. This is a lightning storm. I don't even know where it is. Oh my goodness, it's above us. Hell no. Hell no. Oh. Literally, I'm looking. The lightning bolt it's beyond the clouds. It's above us. Oh, no.